Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 1. How are you all doing? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. And welcome to your social studies class. So, in today's class, we will wind up this topic, which is weathers. We have so far discussed what is a sunny day, how do a sunny day looks like, how do a rainy day looks like, how do a cloudy day looks like. Now, the last but not the least, we will discuss how do a stormy day looks like, right? Okay. So tell me how many of you are familiar with this term, stormy? Okay. All of you are. That's wonderful. So tell me what are the characteristics of a stormy day? A stormy day, or we can call it as a windy day as well. Yes or no? When the wind changes to okay, yes. Well, the windy is not that much scary. People love windy days because they are type of cool days, but the stormy days are a bit scary because on that days the days are not bright. We have this strong storm in the air. We cannot go outside, we cannot do our activities, everything is flying, so it is a type of a scary day, right? But the windy days are a cool and a bit comfortable and more refreshing as compared to the stormy days. So in today's class we will be discussing the characteristics of a stormy day, and then we will wind up this topic, that which is weather. So without wasting any time, I'm going to share the screen with you and we will discuss the stormy weather with the help of these pictures, okay? Show me a thumbs up if it is visible to you or not. Okay, so over here there are some small characteristic features which are being written about the stormy day in a very interesting way. It says that how is the weather today? Well, the person replied, the weather is stormy. Now, what does the stormy means? Now they are basically clarifying that word or giving the explanation of that word. That in the stormy weather, in the stormy day, the wind is fast, it is very strong. The wind in the windy days, the wind is not that much fast or strong, but in the stormy day it is. The sky is dark and there are many clouds, right? The sky turns to dark, as I have told you that the stormy days are not bright days, right? Lightning flashes, thunder cracks, rain falls, and wind blows. So all of these, when together combines, it turns into a day which is more like scary. People do not go outside. If somebody has put some clothes for drying in the balcony, they will take it out so that it may not go into somebody else's home. Similarly, if somebody has a plan to go for the grocery, they will skip it or they will delay it. If somebody has a plan to go to some area, some watery area, they will delay that as well because it would be dangerous to go at that time, right? So this is a big storm. And how is the weather today? The weather is stormy. Now these are two basically the emojis or the symbols which shows this, that there is this thunderstorm and the wind is also there and the rain is also there, right? So everything is basically there. If we talk about a stormy day, let's write the words which makes up together. The wind is there, the rain is there, the lightning is there, plus what else is there? The thunder is there, right? So all of these things when and the clouds are also there, so all of these things when combined, it turns into a stormy day, right? Okay, so see, I have written the words for you on the board, that the wind is also there which is very fast. It is heavily raining as well, sometimes not. It's not necessary that every time in a stormy day it's raining, but yes, it do. Then we have a lightning, the heavy lightning with the thunder. That is why it's a bit scary. And then we have the heavy clouds, the dark clouds in the sky as well. So when all of these things combine together, it turns into a stormy day. Let me show you one more picture of it. Let's look at this picture and it will more clarify the word which I say, that it's more like scary. Because see that people, why do people delay their visits to watery areas or like this? Because it's not safe to go over there. You can lose your life, right? You can lose your loved ones because the level of water rises, and you cannot stand there. Look at the trees, even they are unable to stand, they are standing over there. Yes, right? So that is why it's not safe to go over there. Look at the water level. It was not that much high before that, but now it has turned to very high. Similarly, let me show you another picture that will clarify more about the situation of the clouds and the sky. So this picture clarifies that how do the sky looks. There is thunder, there is storm, there are clouds, there is rain, there is darkness, and all of these looks like the scene of a horror movie, right? Everything basically adds up to create a fear, to create a darker image. That is why you cannot go outside. Let's take everybody's opinion. How many of you like stormy days, or if anyone like or not? Well, no one, right? And what's the reason behind that? I also do not like stormy days because they are a bit scary. If I do have any plan, I do skip it or I do delay it so that, in order to save myself or in order to save from any such dangerous situations. And it is very good to delay your plans because your safety is first, right? So you should delay your plans. You should work on, you should first consider your safety. You should first consider the weather. Is it suitable for you to go outside? It is suitable for you to visit somebody? Then you should go out from your home, rather than that you just go out, that okay, it's fine, that the weather will get fine after a while, but the weather get more darker and more fairer. Then what will you do, right? So that is why it's very important to check the weather before going outside. Now you have the weather apps in your mobile phones as well, and they are very very helpful. So you can just check the weather by just clicking on the app, and it will show you, it will give you the whole detail of the today's weather and the whole week as well, right? Okay, so we are end with this topic. Inshallah, in tomorrow's class, you will be having a weekly assessment. Do prepare yourself for the assessment and let me know if you have any confusion. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.